Material requirement planning is a feature that gives you an overview of what and how many products or components that need to be produced or purchased. You find it under Planning in the LPOne sidebar menu in SAP Business One. Click on MRP and put the information you would like to base the MRP run on before you run it. The MRP calculations will be based on the factors you see under Requirements and Availability. When the MRP run is finished, you find the result by clicking on the Planning Management right under the MRP feature. Filter the result with the related planner code. And see how a list of products and components appears with suggested quantities and dates. These are based on stock and production calculations and help you to plan the creation of a finished product. In this example, starting from the customer order you see in the last row, the MRP suggests you to create 3 production orders for the semi-finished products with corresponding quantities. Also, it suggests you to buy 2 different kinds of raw materials with corresponding quantities. You also need to select the right supplier for these 2 purchase orders. When this is done, check both the production orders and the purchase orders. And create both. As a result, released production orders and open purchase orders have been created based on the information you just put. You can find the overview of each order by clicking on the yellow arrow next to the ID number of the order. To finish this process and to also release the purchase orders, put the price in each row of the order. And when this is done, you are ready to send it to the supplier. As a result, this can help your business to produce and purchase just the right amount of products and components, and consequently eliminate waste and support lean production, thanks to LPOne.